Okay, well, here is the Flexi-Factory robot, fresh off the Bambu Labs Carbon X1 with dual AMS, printed in 8 different colors. We've got orange, yellow, green, white, purple, black, red, and a multicolor rainbow and yellow. So that's all of them. We're going to take it off the plate now. This is a articulated robot. And there we go. Totally works. All the arms, legs, body is completely working. There we go, sitting up against the purge block. But yeah, I think this is definitely a success. There's a little bit of color zitting going on. I set it to allow it to purge to infill. I think I'll turn that off next time. And there is the Flexi-Factory signature on the backside. I want to thank Flexi-Factory for a great design, and hope to do many more of these. So there we go.